if you want to mirror the screen from a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion to another device, then in that case we can open settings on our phone. Then in here we should be able to go to connected devices, and then here we can go to connection preferences. Now over here we can choose the cast option, and in here we have the smart connect. So we're gonna tap over here, you can tap on get started if you go here for the first time, go through all of these options, and we can just tap on this check in order to continue. We can also select terms and conditions and privacy statement over here. Well, we have to do that to be able to continue. Grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. Thankfully, we just have to do this just one time, and then we should be able to just start using it without any issues. All right. So now once we are here, we can just tap on this plus button in the upper right corner. You can pair without signing in. And now we can choose display option over here. This includes TVs and smart monitors and everything in between. Just keep tapping on these arrows, then this check. And finally, we can search for available devices. And you should be able to, for example, find your TV, and you should be able to start mirroring the screen. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.